As the new era of Apple Silicon kicks off with the M4 chip, many Mac enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting its integration into the latest MacBook Air models. With the M4 chip making waves in the tech community, the question on everyone's mind is, when can we expect to see the MacBook Air equipped with this cutting-edge processor? Moreover, what can we anticipate regarding its design, features, and pricing? In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the expected release date, pricing, and the key updates you might find in the upcoming MacBook Air. The design, what to expect. If you're hoping for a dramatic redesign of the MacBook Air to coincide with the M4 chip, you might be in for a disappointment. The current MacBook Air design, which has been a staple for the last two generations, M2 and M3, is expected to remain largely unchanged. Apple tends to retain the same design for several iterations of their laptops, typically spanning 4 to 5 generations. Thus, the MacBook Air's design is likely to persist through the M4 era without any new ports or design overhauls. For those who have experienced the M2 or M3 MacBook Air, you'll know the design has been well received for its sleekness and functionality. Given its popularity, Apple seems set to maintain the existing aesthetic, focusing more on enhancing performance rather than altering the physical look of the device. OLED displays. When will they arrive? A significant upgrade that many are curious about is the incorporation of OLED displays. While the iPad Pro has already adopted OLED technology, it's unlikely that a MacBook Air will see this enhancement anytime soon. The first Mac models to receive OLED screens are expected to be the MacBook Pros, with a possible rollout beginning as early as 2026. Therefore, it's reasonable to predict that the MacBook Air might not feature OLED displays until at least 2027. The M4 chip. Performance insights. The M4 chip, recently introduced with the iPad Pros, is expected to bring substantial performance improvements to the MacBook Air. The M4 chip comes in two versions, a 9-core CPU variant with 6 efficiency cores and 3 performance cores, and a more powerful 10-core CPU version with 6 efficiency cores and 4 performance cores. One notable improvement with the M4 chip is its enhanced thermal efficiency. This means that the MacBook Air should run cooler compared to previous models, reducing the likelihood of the device overheating during intensive tasks. Expected release date. The release timeline for the new MacBook Air with the M4 chip is closely tied to the launch of the M4 Pro and M4 Max-equipped MacBook Pros. If the M4 Pro and M4 Max are released towards the end of 2024, a reasonable estimate for the MacBook Air's release would be around March 2025. However, if there are delays and the MacBook Pros are launched in early 2025, the MacBook Air might be introduced during Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, in June 2025. Pricing and specifications. Let's explore the anticipated specifications and pricing for the new MacBook Air. The design is expected to remain consistent with the current model, featuring either a 13.6-inch or 15.3-inch LED Retina display. In terms of memory, the base model will come with 8 GB of RAM, which can be upgraded to 24 GB. While Apple continues to offer 8 GB as the standard, many users may find that opting for additional RAM provides a smoother experience, especially for more demanding tasks. Regarding battery life, the M4 chip's efficiency improvements should result in slightly extended battery performance, potentially reaching up to 19 hours on a single charge. This is a notable enhancement from previous models and will be a welcome upgrade for users who rely on extended battery life. As for pricing, the 13.6-inch MacBook Air with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage is anticipated to start at approximately $1,199. The 15.3-inch model, which may include the 10-core CPU, is expected to be priced around $1,399. Conclusion. The upcoming MacBook Air with the M4 chip promises to be an exciting addition to Apple's lineup, bringing enhanced performance and efficiency to one of their most popular laptops. While the design is set to remain the same, the introduction of the M4 chip and other incremental improvements will offer a significant boost in power and battery life. As we approach the potential release dates and pricing details, staying informed will help you make the best decision regarding your next MacBook purchase. Feel free to share your thoughts and expectations about the new MacBook Air in the comments below. If you enjoyed this overview and want to keep up with the latest Apple news and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications. Stay tuned for more detailed insights as we approach the release of this exciting new device. Stay tuned for more updates.